Welcome to another session in the Njál Saga Tapestry Project, sponsored by the National Nordic Museum of the United States in Seattle, Washington. I am your host and instructor, Claudia Pétursson. If you are unfamiliar with this project, please refer to the introductory video titled The Njál Saga Tapestry Project of Iceland. If you have not already purchased a kit to join us, please go to the National Nordic Museum online store shown in the link below. All right, let's get started. The Couching Stitch C, Curves. As you continue your project, you will come to parts of your work where you need to manage curves. Filling in curves takes forethought and choices. In the Thrown a Curve video, I illustrate what happens when I did not manage curves well and made decisions on the fly. It is not an elegant outcome. First, take stock of your space. What do you notice? You are looking for ways to divide the space that will be as square or rectangular as possible. Look for bite-sized morsels that will be straightforward to sew and allow the threads to lie flat. Once you've made decisions about your morsels, you can begin the filling in stitch. Here's our first area. Look how flat and even the threads lie. Notice also how I've used the grid of the linen to make a straight edge on the morsel. Now we've completed the second area. The threads continue to be flat and even, and the edges are clear and straight. The same is true for the final morsel. Flat threads and clear edges. You now see clearly the line of each morsel that creates your curve. For the final part, you will do step 1 of the tacking over stitch from the Couching Stitch B. Cover each morsel edge with a cross thread, and then proceed with the tacking over stitch for this space. Please join us for our next video, Eyeballs and Circles, the French Knot. Tapestry kits from the Njál Saga Tapestry Center are available for purchase from the National Nordic Museum. Please visit the online store, and thank you so much for your support of this project.